Hi guys, how are you? My name is Soumya and I'm your psychic medium healer. So today I'm going to talk about how you can let go of your manifestation and how can you overcome your negative manifestation and all, and like how you can grow your manifestation, basically how can make your manifestation complete. It is just a easy technique. You don't have to think of your manifestation all time and manifest all the time, yeah, this is happening and all. Do it just once in a time every day, or one form, and you will see the your manifestation technique becoming so successful. I do it once in a time and I see my things coming up in front of me. Especially you need to let go. Whenever you do any kind of manifestation, it's important to let go. Okay. And because once you won't let go, it won't happen. Even after tarot card sessions or any kind of astrologer you go, or healer or a psychic medium, or whatever people you go to. Okay, so you need to basically let go so that things comes in front of you, whether it will take time. Because once you let go of your desire, once you let go of your manifestation, it will definitely will be coming back to you. And this definitely happens, and it happened with me. And I have many examples to give. Whenever you let go of anything, it will come up to you, and I bet you that will come up to you. So you need to let go. In my personal session, I am getting many of my clients don't let go of their desires, and they keep on complaining that this thing didn't happen or that thing didn't happen. So you need to just shut off that energy and just completely be in your own lifestyle. First you need to nurture yourself. Okay. And once you don't nurture yourself, you don't love yourself, and you keep on going on same question twice to your psychic, to your tarot card reader, to your astrologer, and you want to see everything is coming true or not. Okay. When this thing will happen, basically, yes, it will happen, but it will take a lot of time. It can take even a 6 months, sometime it can take a 1 year. Depend on your energy. If you are loving yourself, you need to happily love yourself and let go of your negative energies all the time. So you don't have to be in a tension all time that thing is not happening and anything is not happening. So things will happen. You just need to let go, forget your desires, and like I'll tell you how to do it. You need to do your manifestation twice a day. Okay, once in a day. You don't have to keep in mind that this thing is not happening. Basically the thing will happen, but it will take a time. Okay. Many people say, yes, my things will get fulfilled. And if you have that magnetic energy attracting, especially that manifestation coming towards you, you can do anything. If you have that power, you can do anything. Yes, this thing is happening. So yes, things will definitely happen around. You don't have to be yeah, this is not happening and that is not happening. It's because of your negative thinking things are not happening. And when you go to your readers, anyone with repeated question, so you are stopping your own manifestation. You need to just let go. Simple fund of your manifestation of success is letting go. Do affirm every day. Okay, make it fulfill. I don't say that don't affirm, just affirm. If you are a healer over here, psychic over here, or anyone who has that empathic power, I'll definitely say you must be knowing it. Yes, you need to affirm, but please do it once in a day. You don't need to do it every day. every time that this thing is not happening, that is not happening, and ultimately your manifestation will go into zero. So you don't have to do that. Everything will be just fine. All right, just let go. I'll again say, just let go of your manifestation and see the magic happening, see the miracle happening to you all the time. Thank you. Hope you like my reading. Do share and subscribe my video. And Happy New Year once again. Bye bye.